Doctor, stick it in my asshole.
Oh, fucking hell.
Oh yeah. Like that, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna put auto gas in my bike. It's only 76p a litre.
Oh, these heated grips are getting a bit toasty.
Such a massive deal. I hope you crash into this post and die.
Rather than you buying a house and me buying a house, we should just buy a woods and live like animals. Oh, gonna get some rhubarb! Ah! They're dogging. Bug saver pet foods!
Oh yeah! What, your cock is bright yellow?
My helmet looks like makes me look like Pac-Man. Mind you, did you hear about that Russian sleep experiment?
Had sex with them. Just one cornetto. Give it to me.
No, it's my helmet. It's my visor.
Yeah, they did a good job. He said thank you to me, so like he said thank you as if I would have damaged his truck. You're a pussy. See you later, Supermoto. Where's he got? No, no, don't do that. We're gonna get kicked out.
Strictly no dogs.
Your mum ain't allowed in. Apparently, him and his dad have wanks here or something.
Have you still got the
Has he left his keys in? Yes, he has. Oh shit, no!
Yeah.
Oh, I got it. Fuck. Oh, he's done the
Thanks. Cheers. Bye.
Oh shit, I left my keys in. And the bars are bent to fuck. So underpowered, it's like riding a fucking goat shit.
What's happened to your gear lever as well? It's like...
It's probably just standard, mate. It's probably just got shit. His airplane's falling off! Nick's now an illegal immigrant. He's such a little shit, look at him.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Road! That's racist! Oh, he's dogging.
He's having a crafty wank. He's having a crank.
Tim, he had his video camera and everything. He's waiting, he's meeting a woman. He's gonna put that on the back seat and they're gonna...
Play Monopoly.
It's okay, baby, I got the D. I was all alone in a room with a Venus flytrap. And I thought to myself, hey, I'm going to turn this Venus flytrap into a penis flytrap. And then I shove my dick in it. My brother has a massive dick. Some people look like right paedophiles, don't they?
This guy's got some swag.
I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid.
One bomb fish, one bomb fish, one bomb fish!
Oh, we can't stop. Oh, we won't stop.
No! Stop it! Now!
Charlie had those apple bottom jeans.
No one wants to see your Google gangles.
Your one-eyed wiggling Welshman.
That is you, my friend, that is you. Oh, we YOLO. Private car park. Fuck your private car park.